So an organization that was founded 8 years ago, that was around when the Republicans are in power and the Democrats are in power, and they are involved with mostly law-abiding activities from what I could say. I don't see them doing anything illegal whatsoever. And this is a federal honeypot. These are feds. So the feds, just walk me through this. The feds are encouraging everybody to dress up in identical uniforms and wave American flags and stand up for patriotic traditional American values. The feds are doing that. The feds are promoting the idea of young men all dressing up in uniforms and marching and learning how to do prepping and learning how to grow food and buying land and doing. The feds are doing that. The federal government's doing that. Wow, that's much different than the federal government I'm used to. Usually the federal government is going to usually promote something crazy and fanatical and satanic. Usually the federal honeypots I've seen usually involves pentagrams and goat heads getting cut off and a fella named Scott Payne. This looks a lot different than the honeypots that I've seen. This is an odd situation we're in. I had no idea. Apparently, the feds want us to do positive, productive, pro-social things. I'm being sarcastic, guys. But anyways, yeah, this organization's been around for 8 years, and let me tell you what annoys me about people saying Patriot Front are feds, okay? And again, for YouTube's community guidelines, I'm not endorsing or promoting this organization. I don't want to violate YouTube's community guidelines. I'm just talking about, they've been in the news a lot recently, so I'm just talking about, I don't think they're feds. That's the purpose of this video, okay? I'm not promoting this organization. Just want to say that for community guidelines, YouTube purposes, okay? But anyways, I spent 5 years in the Florida Department of Corrections, guys. And I'm telling you right now, if you were in the day room and you said out loud, Patriot Front are feds, the unforgiven would pull you aside and say, you're saying this group of white men marching around, standing up for their race, are feds? They would ask you that. I'm just stating facts. And then you say, yeah, I'm saying I think they're feds. They would then say, okay, do you have evidence that they're feds? And then you'd say no, because you don't have any. And they would tell you, never repeat this ever again. That's over with. Don't talk about that anymore. Never say that ever again. And they would look you dead in the eyes and they'd say, that's over with. Don't repeat that. Never talk about this ever again. And if you ever brought that up ever again, they would say, you're getting a violation, tighten up. You're going in the cell, you're going to fight somebody, or you're going to check in. And the reason they would do that is because it's not good prison politics to, a white group like Unforgiven is not going to let you badmouth another white group with no evidence. They're not going to let you do that. And I'm telling you, if you kept on with that shit in the places I've done time in prison, that's a serious accusation. And in the prison system, you'd get your shit split for that. And again, I don't know where you guys have been. I don't know if you guys have been overseas and been in war zones. I don't know if you guys have done time in prison. If you guys have been in any serious place in life, I can forgive you if you're 12 years old, bro. I can forgive you if you work at IBM and you got a desk job. I could forgive you for this Patriot Front or feds. I could forgive you for that because you don't know nothing. You never been nowhere. I can forgive you. But you've got a brain. Please use your brain. And if you want to accuse a bunch of people of being feds, please provide evidence. And I think that's completely reasonable. And just be aware, if you ever go to prison and you start making accusations about people being feds with no evidence, it's a very serious accusation. And just because that organization's not in the room with you doesn't mean that some people might take exception to that. Absolutely. Because if you're calling them feds without any evidence, what's to stop you from calling Unforgiven feds without any evidence? So the Unforgivens would not, I'm pretty sure the ABs feel the same way. Again, you're dipping your toes into politics. So from my prison perspective, I know you could get in big trouble making random accusations about a group being feds, even if that group's not in the room. Because if you're part of the woodpile, whatever you say reflects poorly. You can't do stuff like that. That causes tension. That causes a rift. And it's just the rules. That's the rules in prison. And, out here we have the First Amendment, we have freedom of speech, we have all that stuff. And you can say stupid things. You have the freedom of speech to say stupid things out here, like accusing this group of being feds with absolutely no evidence. You have the freedom of speech to be a dummy out here. But I'm letting you know, every time you guys say this, you're being a dummy. There's no evidence that these people are feds. And if there is, by all means, present the evidence. But I don't see any evidence that Patriot Front are feds. I'm tired of hearing that. I'm tired of, you can criticize their ideas. Maybe there's some things they say that you don't like. You can criticize their tactics. Maybe you don't like their tactics. Maybe you don't like their leader. But I'm sick of these, they're feds. You're just showing everybody in the room that you have a low IQ. Okay? So let's have a real conversation about Patriot Front. We could talk about Patriot Front. I'm not allowed to endorse them on YouTube, so this isn't an endorsement. I'm just noting things. I'm just taking notice. I'm just noticing things. That's not a crime yet. It probably will be soon, though. But I'm just noticing things. And one of the things I notice is people keep calling them feds with no accusation. And I'm wondering, who put this thought in these people's brain? Because when everybody says the same thing, it's like an NPC talking point. And I'm like, who put out this talking point? Who benefits from this talking point? Because all the NPCs keep saying, oh, they're feds. Oh, they're feds. And when I see 10 different comments that say the same thing in a comment section, sorry, guys, that's a group of NPCs. I call a spade a spade. When you have a comment section where 10 people are mindlessly repeating some shit they heard another person say, that's NPCs. That's the definition of an NPC. I used to be an adventurer like yourself, then I took an arrow to a knee. I used to be an adventurer like yourself, then I took an arrow to the knee. That's what an NPC is, bro. Somebody that just repeats things they heard somebody else say over and over again. They heard somebody else say some shit, so they repeat it. Think for yourself, guys. Use your brain. You have a good brain. You have a big brain. Use your brain. That's the message of today. Whatever your opinion on Patriot Front is, you're entitled to your opinion, okay? I can't tell you what to think. But, if you have accusations against them and you don't want to look like an idiot, maybe provide some evidence. Is that reasonable? I think it is. Jordan Jareb, signing off.